In this video, I'll show you how to add indicators to a Webull chart. First, open the Webull app or visit the Webull website and sign into your account. Search for the stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you want to analyze, then open its chart. Now, tap or click the Indicators button on the chart toolbar. Depending on your device, it may appear as Indicators, Technical Indicators, or an indicator icon. Next, browse through the list of available indicators. You can choose from popular options like Moving Average, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and many others. Tap or click the indicator you want to add. After that, customize the indicator if needed. You can adjust settings such as the period, colors, and line style. Once you're finished, tap Apply, Done, or simply close the settings window to save your changes. Now, the indicator will appear on your chart. You can return to the Indicators menu at any time to add more indicators, edit their settings, or remove them if you no longer need them. Finally, review your chart to make sure the indicators are displaying correctly. You can switch between different time frames while keeping your indicators active for further analysis. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add indicators to a Webull chart. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.